Our roof rack is finally done!
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
So, fun life hack for this episode.
We are the Awakened family from the Philippines. Back in 2021, we made one of the biggest decisions of our lives. We left our corporate jobs to focus on our little family and follow our dreams. During the pandemic, we bought a van and converted it into our tiny home on wheels. Since then, we've spent the past few years renovating, camping, and traveling. Our intention is to travel around the country, soak up the great outdoors, and share this incredible journey with you. Join us on our family adventures.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
It's our second day here, and this morning, we parked for a bit to use the spring water to wash our van. In this episode, we're so excited to share how we built our DIY roof rack, but more importantly, the mistake we made along the way. Hopefully, by learning from our experience, you can avoid the same issue when building your own.
Good morning! So, kakagising lang namin kasi dito na kami natulog. And since ang lakas ng ulan kahapon, we've decided na lilinisin na lang namin yung van. Kasi may free spring water dito na area. Ayan. Space, say good morning! Our roof rack is finally done!
And I like.
Andito pala kami ngayon sa Dahilayan. Dito na kami natulog. Andito na tayo since last night, right?
Yeah. So, kung alam nyo kung saan to, comment
down
down below. Kasi hindi to ano.
Pero my guess is hindi nila
Pakita natin. Pakita natin. We're here! Saan ba to? Yan. May mga pine trees.
Let us know if you can guess.
Yeah, let us know. Somewhere in Dahilayan.
Somewhere in Dahilayan, Bukidnon.
Yes, our roof rack is finally done. And we're very happy.
Happy! Finally,
Yeah.
makaka-attach na tayo ng shower awning.
Happy and sad. Kasi
Oo.
we have a big
Big
mistake sa ginawa namin. We will explain it later. We're gonna share it with you guys para hindi nila gawin din.
Oh,
We are gonna explain everything kung paano namin inattach yung rack later. And
But for now,
yeah.
gutom na kami.
So,
Magluluto muna tayo. But first,
magsiset up kami ng awning kasi this is our first time na mag-set up yung awning na meron ng rack.
So let's see if it will still work. Kasi kakabalik lang din ako.
We can already bring kayaks.
Yeah!
So, kasi looking forward talaga to bring kaya.
Yeah.
So,
Surfboard?
surfboard. Soon, okay?
Yeah. So let's
Bye.
set up the awning.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home.
Sunflower. Oh,
Yeah, the west wind's calling
baby.
out my name. They're telling me to head your way,
Go.
down your road and past
Like a
your
pig
gate.
to me.
Oh no. So nag-set up na lang kami ng awning kasi dito sa location na to or sa site na to, nag-iiba-iba yung weather. So para safe na lang, we're gonna cook pancakes! Yay! Kaka's favorite!
I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun.
To
This is our ingredients of baking pancake. Mine pancake. Mine.
Hey!
Mine.
Space!
Mine. Mine.
Ayaw.
Mine. Mine.
Eating hurts. No, please.
Mine. Mine.
It's ours, Kaka. It's ours.
No, no.
It will yabo. It will yabo.
Not yet done.
me.
The space not yet done. Done pa? Yeah, not yet done. Manini? Yeah, Kaka's will put money when it's done na. Done na?
Sami.
Yeah, and it's joking. No, man.
May naghihintay na dito. Put it in the sink, please.
Ball. It's a roller ball.
Nalagyan na pala ni Earl ng laminate yung front.
Mama! Mama!
I'm here.
Inuunti-unti lang namin kasi
Oo.
big work.
Big work. Wow. So ito yung importante na dapat malaminate na talaga to dito. Soon para hindi messy. Kaso wala pa masyadong oras so ito na lang muna.
Yo! Bakit?
Hot eh.
Pa!
Init.
Pa!
Yeah, init pag yun. Init pag yun na. Ayagid ka na.
Abu? Pa, abu?
Yeah, yabo papa.
Abu ba pa? Hat! Yun!
Yeah, hot yun.
Master kay kapag Bisaya is. Oh no. The pancake monsters. Get some mama's hat, please. Be, makabalo ba siya, be? Okay, it's raining.
Kalalab, kamati mo.
Hala, kabalo, gid siya lolo.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Thank you. Pancake is done. Small. More?
Magkano sa sa guys lalab?
Kayo eat the rice, anak.
Yeah.
After that, you eat sa dara. Nom, 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 nom. Ah.
That's very small.
Tapos ang aming roof rack and happy naman kami sa itsura ng rack. But meron kaming malaking pagkakamali kasi sa design kasi namin kasama talaga yung lights and late na namin nalaman na bawal pala. So yun, kailangan namin siyang tanggalin. Lesson learned to sa amin kasi kung gagawa kayo ng roof rack or anything na mag-add kayo sa van, research muna kayo kung pwede ba siyang i-attach, kung hindi ba bawal. Ito yung itsura ng rack namin sa itaas. Tapos ito naman yung awning. And andun yung lights. So, curious kayo paano namin to na-attach. Ginamit kami ng Unistrat. Itong na part na to, ito yung Unistrat. Tapos, pinatong namin yung roof rack. Gamit ang spring nuts. Meron spring nut dito. Nakabolt siya. So, ang kagandahan sa ganitong setup kasi pwede mo siyang ma-move. Ang roof rack na to, pwede mo siyang i-move forward tsaka backwards. So, hanggat nakapatong siya dito, pwede siya. And kung nagtataka kayo bakit walang bars dito. Hi, Samit. Walang bar sa gitna. Dapat kasi may paganyan siya. Hindi ko na nilagyan kasi plan naming maglagay dito ng solar panel. Since nga Unistrat to, madali lang maglagay ng brace dyan. So since hindi pa namin alam kung gaano kalaki yung solar panel na lalagay namin, ganyan na muna. Summit! You might fall there! So yan.
Stepping in the window.
So yeah, isa sa malaking pagkakamali namin is ito. Nilagyan ko ng lights and late na talaga namin nalaman na bawal pala. Right, Summit?
Yeah.
That's why we need to remove this. Yun nga, nung nalaman ko na bawal pala to, yung mga lights na ganito, so hindi ko na sinuplayan ng power. Kasi babaklasin naman natin to. We need to remove it.
Let's remove it right
Kaysa naman maano tayo,
We're gonna remove it
ma-penalty.
right now, Papa.
Depends anak. When we're home na. Yung plan namin, dyan maglalagay kami ng wood dyan para lagyan ng mga bagahe. Tapos dito yung solar panel na part. Let's go down anak. So yeah, umiinit na. You're here sa amin. So nalaman namin dito na meron palang malapit na bagong resort and may swimming pool, right? Tama-tama, Summit, umiinit na. Do you
We're
wanna...
going to Katihan.
No, uy! You wanna go to the pool?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ayan!
Sir? Lugar kakuan?
Hausa.
Sige. U-turn na lang, mi.
I want the
Kuan? Oh, gusto pa naman ni Sabit maligo.
I'm
Sa
gonna
pool.
find another place. Oh no. So, since exclusive nga yung pool and gusto na nila talagang maligo, maghahanap na lang kami ng nearby river.
plane!
Plane.
Bye-bye, gani. And then we'll go na.
Order muna kami ng coffee before kami aalis. Here, but another van is here.
Where this? Papa na oil.
No, it's yours.
Yes.
It's yours.
Because you saw in our vlog that I'm wearing that.
Really?
My knee oil.
Shorts na.
No, stay.
Spacey. Yeah.
So, may kanya-kanya silang projects.
Parenting got easier when we realized that it's okay for our kids to feel bored. They don't need us to entertain them, and no amount of toys are necessary for development. Children's needs are so simple. They don't need anything fancy. They just want to be invited into our world and experience life alongside us.
Stay for a little longer while I hold you tight. We'll wait, so just let your head up on my shoulder. Anything I wear is colder, but the days are only something else. Watching go by. There's a fight off the cold. In the time,
He's making water
that's what I'm thinking. I don't want this moment to go. No, I don't want this moment to go.
Ano sabi mo sa tubig?
Ang lamig. So, let's change.
We're done!
We're done!
So, saan tayo ngayon?
Let's talk inside the van. Let's decide.
Sige, hanap tayo ng mapupuntahan.
Jump!
I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long. I'm there before the setting sun.
Tambay muna kami dito na part kasi merong magandang view. So, tinitingnan ko yung lights ng roof rack. Sayang ang ganda. Pero, nasasayangan kami ni Taiza.
Guys.
Yeah, nasasayangan kami.
Sa effort at sa nabayaran namin.
Yeah. Say, napakaganda pa naman. Maganda pa naman siyang tignan. What can you say, guys? Comment down below kung bagay ba yung roof rack. So, ayun guys, napagkasunduan namin ni Taiza na every video, magbibigay kami ng isang
Van life hack.
Yeah.
So, in this episode, ito yung hack na i-share namin.
Yeah.
Invent lang to ni Earl.
Yeah.
This is actually a soap dispenser.
Mm-mm.
And then, tadan!
Linagyan ko ng magnet sa likod.
Nilagyan niya ng magnet kasi based on our experience, it's so difficult na parang naka-container siya.
Example.
So example, basically dito talaga siya sa sink namin para mas easier kaming maghugas ng kamay or whatever. So example, ayan. Tapos, if you need it outside naman,
Oo.
ang purpose talaga namin pag ganito is ang dali lang niyang i-transfer. So you can just remove it, tapos i-transfer mo siya dito.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, usually nag-wash kami dito ng mga bata or ng paa namin.
Or papaliguan natin sa summit,
papaliguan
right?
namin sila. So,
And soon, kung dun na sa likod, yung ating
shower awning. So,
yeah,
we are
meron na
so
kami
excited.
dyan. Naglalagay kami
And
dyan.
guys, another idea na naisip ni Earl is that we will add, para yung isa is para sa dishwashing and yung isa is para sa bath soap.
Oo.
Para madala namin kahit saan.
Madali din siya kasi if ever pupunta tayo sa CR, kukunin mo na lang siya dyan. Oo. Hindi na tayo mag-a-add ng another bottle ng soap. Oo.
And then po, ang dali lang kasi kung gusto mo naman na ang layo yung biyahe, gusto mo siya i-secure, then you can just remove it
Yeah.
and put it in a more secure location.
Papakita lang namin yung likod na part. Ang ginamit ko dyan is glue stick lang.
Tapos magnet.
Oh, and magnet. Hindi siya naka-protrude para hindi scratch yung
Yung
van.
surface ng
Oo.
van.
So yeah.
Good job, Papa.
Yeah.
So, van life hack for this episode.
Yeah.
Let's go home na! We will go home na!
So yun nga guys, tapos na yung aming roof rack.
And we've decided na hindi na lang namin itatanggalin yung lights.
It's because at hindi na lang namin
Hi, guys.
so hindi na namin susuplayan ng electricity para in case may pumara sa atin na LTO, sasabihin na natin niya it's for design na lang. Oo. Kasi we've decided nga na hindi na siya tanggalin kasi may purpose din siya. Aside sa design na maganda siya tignan, na-cancel niya din yung sound. Kasi nung nilagay namin yung rack, once tumakbo kami ng mga
Wala pang lights noon.
Yeah,
We've noticed
na wala pang lights. We've noticed na nag-hums, may humming sound.
yung rack na.
Gumagano. Parang gumaganon siya. But nung nalagay na namin yung lights, yung lights.
Parang naging noise cancellation.
Yeah, nawala lahat ng
Wala
sound.
talaga kahit 100 kph.
Oh,
diba?
100%, 100 kph, wala na siyang sound.
So
So,
at least, with those reasons,
Yeah,
most importantly,
oo.
apart from the design, yung noise cancellation na feature niya, we've decided to just keep it.
Yeah.
But let us know, guys, bawal pa din ba? Kahit wala electricity.
yeah,
I don't
we
think
really
so.
don't know kung bawal pa din na maglagay lang tayo ng parang design dyan, di ba?
But
Na-
feel free to share your thoughts below
Yeah,
if you
oo.
think na bawal. But we don't know, di ba?
Yeah. Comment down below kung alam nyo. And pwede na rin tayong mag-attach ng shower awning. So yung plan namin dito na side kami maglalagay ng shower awning.
Yes.
So unti-unti lang namin kasi medyo mahal din yung shower awning, right?
Mahal yung mga gamit, not just...
Yeah.
Kasi before, you can purchase a shower awning, but before that, kailangan ng rack. So,
Yeah.
syempre, step by step tayo. Oo.
And plan din namin dito na side, maglalagay din kami ng ladder. So for easy access.
And the most important thing sa back,
Ano sa? Ano sa? Pull up?
pull up. Hindi, sabi ko sa kanya,
Yeah.
dapat may pull up kasi medyo mahirap to, stay fit on the road if you're
Yeah.
traveling. So, hopefully soon, we
Yeah.
can share a lot of things and improvements sa van sa inyong lahat that you can probably, di ba, use as well if you like.
So, isa din sa positive side na meron na tayong roof rack is yung awning. Kasi previously kasi, yung awning namin is dikit siya sa roof. So, yung tendency, pag sineset up ko sa, nahihirapan ako mag-zip,
Mas
zipper.
easier sa'yo
O,
ngayon, oo.
ngayon, since naka-elevate na siya ng konti, mas easier na siyang i-zipper. Yeah. And guys, kung gusto niyo malaman, saan yung river na ano natin?
Na pinuntahan namin earlier.
We're gonna hike later.
It's actually in?
In Kumaykay, it's actually a part of Kumaykay
It's called
River.
Kumaykay River.
It's called Kumaykay
Yeah,
River.
that's Kumaykay River.
Oo. But hindi siya sa loob mismo ng Kumaykay.
Just before Kumaykay River Farm. Yeah.
So, yun nga, nakakatuwa, di ba? Like, every time may progress tayo,
Yeah.
talagang, ang laki ng contribution niya sa mga travels namin. It makes our lives easier
Yeah.
talaga. Like, kahit yung rack lang, it's
Yeah.
such a huge factor.
So, yun guys, kung gusto nyo rin na maggawa kami ng detailed explanation about sa roof rack, paano namin ginawa, yung mga, ano yung ginamit namin.
Everything. Kasi
Yeah,
siya lang
everything.
lahat.
Oo.
Bali, in-outsource lang namin is
Yung pag-weld.
yung pag-weld.
Oo.
But everything,
The design,
DIY siya lahat.
Paano in-attach. Yun. So, just comment down below kung gusto nyo gumawa kami ng ano.
Kasi
detailed
ang
explanation.
mahal if you're gonna purchase.
Yeah. Ang price kasi ng roof rack, kasi may kakilala tayo, same van, nagpa-attach siya, nasa around 70 to 80,000 yung
Ay,
roof rack
oo,
alone.
yung Nissan.
Oo,
So,
same-
pag pick up, mga ganun, how much probably?
It depends sa roof rack na gusto nila. Yeah, but medyo pricey talaga yung mga roof rack. Yeah.
So, if you're still watching at this point, thank you so
Yeah,
much for the
thank you.
support. And if you know someone who loves camping and van life adventures, feel free to share it with your family and friends. Yeah, thank you. Like and subscribe.
Bye!
Thank you.